what is up, guys? Today it is Front Rich Hobbies back at it again with another banger. We have just went plane spotting at Denver only a couple days ago, so I'm going to show you the footage. So let's get into it. United Airlines plane once again. I believe it's a 737. He's coming in and he's having a bit of crowding input. We have a British Airways A350 right behind this, so that'll be my first flight by the end of the day. United Airlines